Marigold, Book 2, Class 2, Unit 2. I am lucky. Welcome to Hindi Kala Kendra. If you are new to our channel, then please click on the subscribe button to get more of your desired content. Turn on the notifications by clicking on that bell near the subscribe button so that you get notified the earliest and fastest whenever we upload new content. If you love our content, then please share our channel with your friends and family members. Now, without wasting more time, let's get learning. Hello kids. Have you ever felt that you wanted to be another creature? For example, a bird or a fish or a butterfly, and be able to swing, swim or fly like them? Or have you felt happy for who you are and what you can do? We should always be happy with what we have and what we can do, and not wish to be someone else. We should feel lucky or blessed with what we have. Now, let's read the poem which is based on a similar theme. I am lucky. Lucky means having good luck. If I were a butterfly, I would be thankful for my wings. Butterfly means a colorful insect. Thankful means filled with the feelings of thanks, and wings means a body part of a bird or an insect. So, the first three lines tell us that the girl in the poem says that if she was a butterfly, she would say thanks for the wings that she has, which she can use to fly. If I were a manna in a tree, I would be thankful that I could sing. Manna means a small brown bird. Here you can see the small brown bird in the picture. So the girl says that if she was a manna in a tree, she would be thankful, that is, she would say thanks that she can sing. If I were a fish in the sea, I would be thankful that I can wriggle and giggle with glee. Now, sea means a large water body. Wriggle means twist and turn with quick movements. You must have seen a fish in the water moving quickly in a zigzag way. That is known as wriggle. Twist and turn with quick movements. Giggle means to laugh lightly, and glee means happiness. So, the girl says that if she was a fish in the sea, she would say thanks because she can wriggle, that is twist and turn with quick movements, and she can laugh lightly with happiness. So, I just think I am lucky to be me, not you, but me. So the girl says that she is lucky that she is herself and not you as a butterfly or a manna or a fish. If I were an elephant, I would be thankful that I can raise my trunk. Now, trunk means an elephant's nose. As you can see here in the picture, the elephant has a big nose which is known as a trunk. So the girl says that if she was an elephant, she would say thanks because she has a long nose which is known as a trunk. If I were a kangaroo, I would try to hop right up to the moon. Kangaroo is an Australian animal. It is a big animal with long tail and two big back legs on which the kangaroo hops to move forward. So the girl says that if she was a kangaroo, she would try to hop to the moon. Kangaroos are known to hop at a great height. So the girl says that if she was a kangaroo, she would try to hop to the moon. She does not mean right to the moon, but as high as possible. If I were an octopus, I would be thankful for my 8 arms. What is an octopus? Octopus is an 8-armed sea creature. An octopus is found in the sea as well. So the girl says that if she was an octopus, she would say thanks for the 8 arms that she would have. So I just think I am lucky to be me. Not you, but me. Think means to have an idea about something. So she says that she is getting this idea, or she's thinking about this fact that she is lucky or happy to be herself, not be someone else such as the elephant, the butterfly, the kangaroo or the octopus, but be herself as a girl. What do you think you want to be? Now the girl is asking you, what do you think you want to be? Do you want to be like me or just you? Just you. So now the girl is asking you, what do you want to be? But she also asks that, do you want to be like me? That means, do you want to be like the girl or do you just want to be yourself as you are? So she says that you just want to be yourself, right? Now let's learn the new words. Butterfly, manna, fish, kangaroo, octopus. A butterfly is an insect with colorful wings. A manna is a small brown bird with yellow beak. A fish is a small animal found in the sea or water. Kangaroo is an Australian animal with big back legs on which it hops to a big height. The female kangaroo has a pouch in her belly to carry her baby. An octopus is an 8-armed creature found in the sea as well. Now let's do the question and answers of I am lucky. Complete these sentences. A butterfly can fly. A manna can sing. A fish can wriggle. An elephant can raise his trunk. A kangaroo can hop. You can read. Why do you think the butterfly likes its wings? The butterfly likes its wings because they are colorful and beautiful, and she can also fly with the help of her wings. What can the manna do? The manna can sing. What can you do? Sing or paint or write? Yes, I can sing, paint and write. Do you think the fish was really happy to be in the water? Yes, I think the fish was really happy to be in the water. What are the lucky things that have happened to you? Tell your friends in the class. I am lucky that I have great parents. I am lucky that I go to a good school. And I am lucky that I have amazing friends. You can write other things as well that you feel lucky about. You can take your parents' help as well. Let's listen. Kang has a dream. Kang flew into the sky. He flew to the moon. He flew through a cloud. He slipped down a tree. Kang woke up with a bang. Now, Kang is the name of the kangaroo. He is having a dream. What is he doing in the dream? He is flying in the sky in his dream. Then he flew to the moon in his dream. After that, he flew through a cloud in his dream. But then he slipped down a tree in the dream and suddenly woke up with a bang. Bang means a loud noise. Silence game. Close your eyes and hear your teacher say the following words. Butterfly, manna, fish, elephant, kangaroo. With your eyes still shut, imagine that you are seeing these creatures. Now open your eyes and move like they do. Let's draw. Complete the pictures and label them. The first one is an ear. The next is a tail. After that, this is a trunk. These are ears and these are the legs. Let's write an act. Fill in the blanks using the hint words given below. What are the hint words? Hop, roar, swim and fly. So, if I were a kangaroo, I would hop. If I were a tiger, I would roar. If I were a fish, I would swim. If I were a bird, I would fly. Say aloud. Say these words aloud after me. Octopus, butterfly, elephant, kangaroo. Complete this picture and draw some plants, shells, stones and fish. You can do this on your own or you can take the help of a family member. Add full to the words given in brackets and complete the sentences. You must be dash to your friends. Help is the word given in the bracket here. So, you must be helpful to your friends. Make a dash drawing. The word given here is color. So, make a colorful drawing. The puppy is so dash. The word given in the bracket is play. So, when we add full to play, it becomes the puppy is so playful. Be dash while crossing the road. The word given in the bracket is care. So, be careful while crossing the road. Join the two words to make one word. Look at the example. Peace plus full gives peaceful. Play plus full gives playful. Color plus full gives colorful. Care plus full gives careful. Hope plus full gives hopeful. Write 5 things you can do. Start with I can. So, I can dance. I can sing. I can read. I can paint. I can write. You can write different words or activities that you can do. I cannot play drums, but I can play a guitar. I cannot dive, but I can swim. I cannot run, but I can walk fast. Give yourself a big star for being what you are. So, you see this blank space provided? Make a big star here for yourself. This is the big star that I'll make for myself. Let's practice. Let's practice writing these alphabets. Trace these dotted lines to form the words. The first one is M. The next is N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. You can take the help of your teacher or your parents to trace these words. Now, what did we learn today? We learnt new words, then we filled in the blanks. After that, we solved the questions and answered them. Then we read another small poem. After that, we played the silence game. Then we did some fun activities. After that, we drew a big star for ourselves. And finally, we traced some alphabets. Finally, click that like button and turn that black thumb blue if you enjoyed the lesson today. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestions and opinions. We would gladly accept them and reply as soon as possible. And if you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, then what are you waiting for? Quickly click on that red subscribe button to get more amazing content. Don't forget to check out your class's Hindi chapters. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for learning this lesson with me. Hope you enjoyed.